Oh no. Well,
people pay for this, you know? People pay for like a swing over a cliff. They pay and they get like pictures taken and shit.
nah, man.
Yeah.
I could never.
Place flowers.
I would just die. Yeah, I'm scared by a voxel butterfly.
Maybe. Maybe a little.
Gosh. Oh, that's funny.
Okay,
It was a full like half a second before you jumped too. I was a little confused by what you were spooked by at the moment. That's a pretty little park.
yeah. Some pine trees. Hello, I meet you. Hello, you and I talk. Talk about what? Work. Okay.
They've lost.
They went mad.
They've lost it. It's fine.
What the hell? House near a cliff. Well, I got you covered. This is our cliff district. Just a comfortable house. Comfortable house. Comfortable house. Comfortable house. I can also research a bunch.
Crampton?
I don't think I want to make like a memorial. Not a memorial. Let's make a barber, or let's make a.
Does not require a warehouse, so easy to maintain.
I mean, I think we
could you put one of those in the park? Okay, I guess what it. My brain is trying to think of exactly what a kiosk theater is.
It's like a. I mean, this would kind of. It's a gazebo.
Just like a little... Oh, that would actually. I think that would actually go like perfectly in the.
Yeah, right here.
Like the. Well, no, I was thinking like the park up above.
Oh.
I think a little pavilion would be nice as like kind of the only thing
that
like a vision thing, but like. Yeah.
Let's see.
Pretty. Like there's like indoor seating in case
like
it's
here.
weather outside.
Someone's gonna hate walking all the way up there for their job. Does it not have?
Look, man, I'd love to work in a spot like a little thing like that. Is it disconnected somewhere?
There we go.
Oh.
They're just being really finicky. I put way more people than needed there. Oh wait, maybe, I think because it's, oh, there's the demand is 0, I think.
Because there's no houses nearby,
yeah. I think like here.
Yeah.
It's a little cramped there, but.
It'll get used at least.
Yeah, there we go. Now it's like everyone wants it. Oh, we are already ready to upgrade to the next one.
Jeez, I guess research is unnecessary here unless you want things from this tier.
I mean, I think we
Although-
do.
Yeah, I mean, you could push to the next. Although I guess